Good morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about IOT in agriculture. On completion of topic, students can be able to understand the basics of IOT in agriculture. IOT in agriculture. IOT has a potential to transform the way we live in the world. We have more efficient industry, more connected cars, and smarter cities are the component of integrated IOT system. The ever growing global population will touch around 9.6 billion by 2050. So, feed this immense population, the agriculture industry needs to enhance IOT. The demand for more food has to meet the overcoming challenges such as rising climatic changes, extreme weather condition, environmental impact that result the intensive farming practice. Precision farming. Precision farming is the process of practicing that make the farming procedure more accurate and controlled for raising livestock and growing of crops. After data is collected, the predictive analysis software uses the collected data to provide farmer with guidance about crop rotation, optimal planting times, harvesting times, and soil management. Ability to identify the field that require for treatment and to determine the optimum amount of waste, fertilizer and pesticides to apply. Agricultural drones. Agricultural drones are very good example of IoT application agriculture. Agriculture industry today have become one of the major industries where drones can incorporate. Two types of drone, that is ground based and aerial based drones, are being incorporated in agriculture. Is many such a crop health assessment, irrigation planting and soil and field. So these are about this IoT in agricultural field. So as you consider the block diagram, the IoT we will use for agriculture, we will use humidity sensor, temperature sensor. From that sensor it is given to this microcontroller. Microcontroller will sense the certain process. Based upon the input condition, it will process and feed the output to the display. From the display we can monitor the changes whatever that is affected in the controller. So most of the cases this microcontroller are mainly used to monitor the changes that occurred. So if you see in agriculture, IoT based agriculture, the output from the data is monitored and it is put it into the cloud. The cloud based technique is mostly employed for monitoring the changes or monitoring the levels whatever obtained there. So mostly in most of the cases this will helpful to determine the amount of data we are having. The if you see the block diagram mainly indicates first sensors will be placed there. The sensors, all the signals are converted into this electrical signal which is feed to the microcontroller. Microcontroller controls the input, either it conversion to analog signal to digital signal, and it's given to the LCD display. The LCD display will monitor those values and it is sent to this higher purpose. This is the way how to monitor the values. Assessment question. What is the primary role of IoT in environmental monitoring? So we know that real-time data collection and monitoring. Which are the sensor used for temperature and humidity measurement in IoT system? So most of them knows for humidity it is used to measure the moisture content present in the soil. So the last is DHT, that is DHT level will present the moisture. Thank you.